Welcome everyone to Main Street, Western Mass. I'm Chris Pisano, and joining me now as my guest, this is attorney Eric Kornblum out of Westfield. Eric, good to see you, my friend.
Good to see you as well.
Now, how long have you been practicing law and helping clients remain debt-free here in Western Mass?
I've been helping people for 32 years, and I've been concentrating on bankruptcy and financial issues for about 30 years now.
There seems to be maybe an uptick in people who need a little financial help right now.
People need financial help despite the economy being good, bad, indifferent. People constantly get divorced, lose jobs, get hurt, and I'm seeing that the repercussions of the pandemic are really coming home because everything's so much more expensive and it's hard to keep on track.
Isn't that the truth? Which leads into my next question. What are some of the common challenges your clients are coming in and presenting to you?
Well, we have clients that have tried to do the best they can but weren't able to keep up with things, and now they're getting court summonses or facing foreclosures. We have other people that just look at the writing on the wall and they say, this is not sustainable and I can't do anything other than move forward for some relief.
What can you do for your clients to make sure they don't reach that point?
Well, hopefully if they're having difficulty making their payments or using credit cards to live on, there's certain warning signs, and maybe they should speak with me before things get worse. You know? And on the other hand, we do have people that will call us hours before a foreclosure sale. And yes, and we get them in here, and usually we're able to help stop that and help save their home.
Now, if a client ultimately is determined by you that bankruptcy is an option, what can they expect?
Ultimately, we try to help people keep all of their assets, move on debt-free. Well, obviously they still have to pay their mortgage or car payment, but hopefully we're putting them in a better position and allowing them to grow and, you know, get into a better position. And then, of course, they can sleep at night, they can eat, they can stop fighting, and feel better about, moving forward.
So that is the light at the end of the tunnel. There is light at the end of the tunnel, no matter how dark you think it may be.
It sure is, and we tell our clients that that light is not an oncoming train. You know, it's actually, you know, there's peace, there's sanity, and people will tell me sometimes that they feel better before they've even hired me, just knowing that. We've given them some hope and faith that things will get better.
You know, ballpark it for me. From start to finish, how long does a process like this take? And I know it depends on a lot of things.
Okay, so a Chapter 7 case, which is usually helps get rid of credit cards, medical bills, personal loans, from filing to being finished is about 4 months, 3.5 to 4 months. Now, gathering documents, getting repaid, things like that can take a little bit longer, but it's usually a short period of time. A Chapter 13 case, which involves a payment plan, and that can help get caught up on a mortgage or alimony or child support payments, that can take 3 to 5 years.
It can?
Yes, it can. But there are times where people will be in a Chapter 13 case and we say, yeah, it's 3 years, 5 years, but let's worry about today and tomorrow. Like when you're running a marathon, you don't think 26 miles.
One step at a time.
It's just one step at a time.
At a time.
Exactly. And we've had people that in the midst of their bankruptcy, they were able to get a mortgage modification, or they found some other way to get out of the bankruptcy and help walk down a better path.
And if someone's listening and saying, I need to get a hold of this guy, how do they get in touch with you?
Our website or telephone number. And we have an answering service that answers the phone 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. So, we won't be returning phone calls at 3 in the morning, but I have been known to return calls on a Saturday or Sunday.
Well, you're an easy guy to get in touch with. Eric, thank you so much. I appreciate it, my friend, attorney Eric Kornblum. Thanks for joining us, everyone.